Logos are affixed prior to laying the floor covering. Mark out the area for adhesive application. Stick logo down and smooth. Apply adhesive to floor covering and place over logo. Cut around the logo perimeter with a hooked blade. Chamfer the joint. Logo welding is a two-step process. Weld the first half. Logo edges should be smoothed to facilitate welding. Allow to cool, pre-trim and trim. Weld the second half. Start at one end and finish at the other. Allow to cool, pre-trim and trim. For more details on basic welding, see CR50 welding. Spreaders plus blades, cork press, welding gun, hot beveling tool, speed nozzle, trimming guide, quarter moon knife.